Hello, hi, Pallavi.
Hello.
How's it going?
I'm scared. Ask away.
Why? Why are you scared?
I don't know. You have some papers in your hand and all.
Okay.
I mean, let me see it.
So yeah, there's some questions that have been coming in
Mm.
that your fans
Mm.
have been very curious about.
Mm.
So let's hope they get their answers. Let's start with cinema well-wisher. Apart from acting, one thing that Sai Pallavi is passionate about.
Okay. Recently, I started beekeeping. So
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
I'm still not very good at it. I get stung a little, but then, yeah, beekeeping.
Guys, one little insight. She's really passionate about bun maska. And she's very passionate about
Okay, so
coconut water. And she's very passionate about going to sleep at what?
9.
9,
Yeah.
9 o'clock. Yeah.
I can sleep anywhere at
Some
9.
insights. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the just underscore Jash wants to know that sunscreen product name?
Heliocare. It's an orange cap one. Heliocare.
Okay, so that is the secret to Sai
Nothing. I
Pallavi's.
don't use it. Please. I rarely put it on, and when I remember, I put it on. Otherwise, just moisturizer.
Sumant, this
Mm.
question even I've asked you many times.
Mm.
It's interesting that even the people want to know. Are there any chances of Sai Pallavi directing a film?
Did you write it? Did you post it in
No.
one of those accounts?
You can check on Twitter. Sumant has asked.
No. No.
No, that's lies. That is lies. I am telling you. Sumant, we had a conversation. I asked Sai Pallavi the same thing, and she said she would love to direct. Not love to direct. I think
I said
I might
no.
direct one day, and she promised to
And-
cast
oh.
me as well.
Oh yes, yeah, that I did. I remember.
Fairy underscore Queen 97 wants to know if you could have dinner with any fictional character, who would it be?
Fictional. Ah.
Yeah, fictional.
Not one, but I always liked Simpsons. Maybe the whole family of Simpsons.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Kalyan 7781. What was your first reaction when you saw Chayana's dance in Namo Namah Shivaya song?
I think he really killed it. But I'm honest. The previous time I at least saw some sort of you were holding back, but when it was Namo Nama, I could just see you go all out. You went shiva 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 shiva.
Thank you. Sailaja 38. How did Sai Pallavi find the dialect of Srikakulam? Did she try any local cuisine? How did she approach the role?
The dialect was very difficult because I had already learnt Telangana slang quite well, and it was difficult for me to crack that, but it was worth it.
That's your question. I don't think someone wrote this on Twitter. What is the biggest lie Che had said to you in the sets, on the sets?
Okay, so Chaitanya keeps going everywhere, and he says that Pallavi, she calls me, and it's so nice that she tells me that you should do this in this scene, the scenes where I was not there. But the problem is he just heard me. He didn't even take the damn input. We'll speak about it. Why are you looking that way?
I don't remember this at all.
Don't make me.
remember this.
What? Don't roll this.
Lakshma 1390799. What does she do in her free time and how does she handle tough situations?
Free time. I just like being to myself alone. I watch movies.
Yes.
I can't say I cook. I wish I could, but I order and that's all. I go to Totem and there's a lot of agriculture work happening. So I pick carrots and potatoes. Most of the time it's passion fruit.
Oh wow.
So yeah, so it's nice. Just this.
Wow. Okay. And WhatsApp stickers, Vartara. What's your favorite sticker?
The monkey. The monkey that goes this way and this way.
Wow. అబ్బాయిలు ఎలా డ్రెస్ అయితే మీకు నచ్చుతారు ఆల్ బాయ్స్
That I don't know, but I like their clothes to be ironed. Iron చేయకుండా crushed అయి ఉంటే I feel like because I really iron my whole family, everybody comes to me to iron the clothes, so it's like an immediate reflex. Iron cheyaledu మీ బట్టలు, I wish I could just straighten it out. So yeah, iron clothes, whichever, whatever,
Okay.
formals or casuals.
అబ్బాయిలు వింటున్నారా? If you're going to meet Sai Pallavi, please get those clothes pressed, dry cleaning, double steam,
ఒక్క నిమిషం, అంత నేను
ironed,
చెప్పలేదు. I said,
and then say hi. Until
okay,
then,
fine,
don't
all
stand
right.
a chance.
అయిపోయింది కదా, అయిపోయింది.